All right, welcome to Chaotic Crypto. This is where we defy tyranny. I meant to upload yesterday, but kind of got distracted. Been working a lot and got a surprise request to work the weekend. So lucky me. But more money to put into crypto, though. That's what I say. Some good stuff. I haven't really looked at the charts too much, so we'll just do a quick run through, see what I kind of think, what's going on. 4-hour stochastic is on the decline. It's actually not looking too bad, but we could get another pull down to retest this area, get the oversold. That'd help prime us up. So maybe we're clinging to the 200. I guess it's a 200 moving average of the 4-hour. So it's not really that important of a moving average. So let's look at the daily. So daily is crossing down. It's still crossed down. And we have ways to go still on the stochastic. And to come down all the way to 19K is still in the cards for sure. You got the CME gap right there, and then the 200-day moving average. It's kind of looking that could be in the cards, but I'm not seeing anything that really tells me bullish just yet, other than the sentiment out there is actually a lot better than I thought it would be. I was really thinking we'd have a bigger pull down, and we haven't gotten that big crash down, but we very well could get that Bart Simpson type of situation where pretty much we just go down and then bounce off some other moving average. So it's certainly in the cards still. And it would freak everybody out. Even it might even go to 19K, 18.5. I don't think a single wick would do that. It would probably be a quick drop down to here and then bounce and maybe even come down to 0.618 at 20K. And this 0.786 is at 19. So I think those numbers are still in play. I think it's better that we come down on those now than later. But again, the sentiment out there has been really positive. The narrative is that there's a decoupling. The stock market is actually not affecting crypto the way it used to. The stock market's been dropping and crypto kind of just going sideways for the most part. But apparently other countries like China and Russia or other countries are basically opening back up and they're investing in stocks and tech, which crypto will obviously benefit for. But, this rally does have some steam behind it. Let's take a look at another chart. I'm not really sure why the volume on that other chart is just kind of lackluster all the time. This is BT's dominant. Sorry, wrong chart. It's like, why does this look so weird? I had a couple other BTC. Where is it? Yeah, maybe it's this one. No, it's not that one. That's not the one we want. Yeah, bear with me. I thought I had the other Bitcoin charts pulled up. Maybe this is one of them. Yeah, this is one of them. Yeah, for some reason the volume on the other chart just wasn't showing me a whole lot. Yeah, but volume is still kind of, it's high. I think it's not. That's the daily. So we still have a lot of volume, not necessarily decreasing. We're actually getting a volume spike on the 4-hour. We might go up for another test, 27 to 28, maybe 29, 30K. I'm starting to kind of lean towards that because a couple days ago I thought we were going to pull down a lot harder. It's just not seeing that. Let's see what the news is. Blocks Q4 Bitcoin revenue down 7%. Building on a parabolic rally. Crossroad 24K. So the 2-hour is declining, but it doesn't necessarily mean a whole lot. I'm not really seeing a whole lot of bearish signs. I mean, I think Bitcoin is in the process right now of cooling off, which means the markets are just going to cool off. Maybe we go sideways, slightly down, and come back on up, something like that. I don't know if we're going to get a big jolt up. Kind of seems that we're consolidating still, building support. I'm going to take a look at the volume profile again. Crypto fear and greed is actually it's at 53. That's neutral, which actually is better than in the 60s. So I mean, it'd be nice if we get another pullback, maybe get into the 40s. If we start seeing 40 and we're still holding decent levels, I might start feeling a little more bullish about things. But this is looking pretty good too. I mean, we're above these main levels. Oops. Whoa. I don't even know. Why is this line right there? It's so ridiculous. Sorry, this is not the best. Okay, good. It went away. Jesus. I don't know what that was all about. It's weird. But yeah, we're above this line of support. 19Ks are heavy support. So, what else is there to say about that? Take a look at some of our indicators here. The crypto bubbles. On the weekly, Zilliqa is really looking pretty strong. Stacks completely went insane. I took a little profit and put it into some other speculatives. Tezos finally coming back. Anchor Protocol. I don't know what kind of news they had, but I mean, I'm getting bull market vibes. Like, it's going to be interesting to see where all this goes. I mean, do we get another pullback down? We're running out of time. I think with Bitcoin halving is only a year away. Litecoin halving is in the fall. And there's some narratives that's going to keep on popping up. So I think, give or take, we're through the worst of it all. Hope so. But if we get lower prices, we get back to 19K, 18K, we'll be so lucky. We would be so lucky. I just don't see that happening. Back to the last little indicator I wanted to check. Okay, that's good. That's pulling back down. Back at 7.8 billion open interest. I feel a little bit better about that. We are having declining bullish funding rates. Yeah, it looks like the miners are actually starting to make a little bit more money, not by much. I might start doing some videos about mining. I'd always spoke about this. I got into mining at the peak of the last cycle, like an idiot. But it'll come back, I hope. GPU mining is what I'm mainly doing. It's concerningly not profitable. I'm paying more money in electric every month currently, so it's not looking good. Anyway, I think that's about it for me today. I just wanted to check in real quick. Tomorrow I'll try to do a better video. But yeah, hang in there. If we get a dip, awesome. Otherwise, I'm not shorting. Be very careful about shorting. All right, peace.